What's up guys, it's me obviously, and I'm making two different pies. I'm making apple pie and this pie I saw on TikTok. I'll enter the video so you guys know exactly what I'm talking about.
No bake Oreo peanut butter pie. 1 package of cream cheese, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Now mix together until you get nice creamy foamy peaks as so. Taste test. Get 12 Oreos, crush them up, throw them in, and fold them into the mixture. Next, get your chocolate pie crust and throw in your gooey mixture. Spread evenly over top. Freezer for 1 hour, then get your Cool Whip, spread over top evenly, drizzle some melted peanut butter, chocolate, crushed Oreos, and you're done. Easy no-bake pie.
So I'm gonna make that, and instead of making the dough, I bought this because my mom said I should. My mom saw this on a video that they were making apple pie with this crust, so it's a lot easier than making the pie for like an hour, the crust for an hour. And I have my sisters right here. So I have everything right here, so I'm not running and scrambling around for everything. And I have the recipe on my phone. I'm gonna start by peeling all the apples, which that takes a really long time. So I'm just gonna speed it up so that I'm literally getting into it because it's 11 and I don't wanna keep these babies up forever. Oh, and this stuff right here on the counter is my mom made I can't roll my R's. But she made this, and it's just all the stuff because she was making some tacos. Okay, yeah, so I'm just gonna slice them very small. I'm just gonna put all the ingredients in here. So, 3/4 cup sugar. That's a lot of sugar. Tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Add 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. One-fourth teaspoon of salt.
And then he dies.
1/8 of nutmeg. I'm trying to mix it lightly with this. Okay, so now I'm just gonna throw it over this.
Not good. So is it like cinnamon?
There's cinnamon, nutmeg, sugar. Okay, now
sugar?
I need to add
Or salt?
half a lemon,
Yes.
which I think is really weird, but I mean,
I will go back.
that's how it is.
Well, that's gonna be him. I will go back and then press play again.
Pie reminds me of Snow White, even though I don't know what the smell she made the apple pie is. It just reminds me of it for some reason.
Can I feel it?
Hold on. Oh my god. I don't want to rip it.
Whoa. I didn't expect that. No. It's so smooth. It fits the whole thing.
It's supposed to. Looks really pretty. It smells really good. So now I'm just gonna put it in here.
Wow. Uh-oh.
That's it. Wow, it fits perfectly.
Like kind of that.
Yeah, but it's not gonna. It's fine. Try it. Mmm. You have one for me?
Oh my god.
Eat it.
It's just
So that's
cinnamon.
really good.
Oh. Oh wow, those apples are good.
All right, I don't know how to crimp, so don't come at me.
I was no. Yeah, you need to. Ooh, paper plate fit.
Okay. Yeah, it's not really pretty, but we're not gonna
It
talk about it.
smells.
Yeah, it smells weird.
Disgusting.
I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna call it a day and do this. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it like this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm gonna try and do it like that.
She's gonna cut them in the middle, make them all pretty and big. So this is the part where you do cuts, right? Ooh, I know this.
Oops, it's off center. Oh well. It's so off center. But it's okay, it's fine.
That one has
It's fine.
Don't do that one.
I'm gonna
kind of stuff.
open this too. Clean. I'm gonna clean this up and then I'm gonna go to the other pie. So I have all the ingredients right here. This is supposed to be a chocolate one, but they literally didn't have any at two stores I went to. So I'm just using the normal crust. And then it's a package of cream cheese, a cup of peanut butter, a cup of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then you mix it together, and then you go from there.
What do you think? God, Mommy made that on that day, but she got that, so yeah. Just move that side. You just taking all of it. You want? Is that why you got a new container?
Now they're just gonna, she's gonna scoop this in here. You're just gonna go like that, okay?
Okay.
Here, go ahead. Don't drop it.
Wait.
Here, I'll hold it. Go ahead.
It's too heavy, maybe. Right? Is that?
Yeah, keep going. Now Slayton's gonna do a cup of, I think it's powdered sugar.
Wow.
Pour it.
Whoa.
Hold it.
Wait, what about the spoon?
Okay.
We're gonna need it, huh?
Yeah, pour it in.
Wow, that's a lot of. Ooh, so. Ah. Sure about
And I'm pretty sure now I mix it.
Be brain eyes. That's me.
Dash. Done with that. That was horrible.
Where did I
I did
put
not
it?
appreciate it. Okay, so now we're gonna fold them in.
Like this, look. Look at that.
Okay.
I'm like, what?
Okay, now this goes in the freezer for 1 hour.
What?
This is nowhere near done. I'm just covering the edges. Thank you, Riley, for the tin foil. Thanks, Mom, for the mayonnaise. So, this is done. It was done a lot faster. It's all like bent stupid because it was over food. I didn't put it face like. Ta-da! It's so pretty. Okay. I'm very scared to cut it because like what if it's not done because I got it out. This isn't the knife for the job, but we're gonna use it. I really hope it's pretty. Please come out pretty. Okay, it's somewhat pretty. I suppose it's not pretty because the chunks didn't come off. But that was really good. Oh my god. You wanna try this one?
Perfect timing, huh?
Come here.
You want a line?
Oh, I meant to.
I'll take.
Come here.
Is that whipped cream?
It's called Cool Whip. Still on peanut butter.
I don't know.
I'm usually not a peanut butter person. This is pretty good.
I need a juice
Here it is.
after this.
Get a carton of milk. It has to cool or else it'll like fall out everywhere. Those are my pies. Oh.
I love that.
This one's very filling. It's good. She's
I like
really
this
filling.
one.
It has a lot of peanut butter. This is definitely an acquired peanut butter taste, so
If you like peanut butter,
yeah.
eat it.
Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm just baking like usual. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.